Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, let's take a look at the euro currency. Well, the current situation, in fact, on the daily time frame could be called as the probably pain or gain, because market now stands in such area that could resolve anything, because the price action has created all necessary conditions for reversal here. This market is now forming the potential small head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame. Market now stands at the top of the right shoulder, where in fact the downward action should start. And if market will not start the downward from that area, it hardly will start it from any other level in the nearest future. If market will fail to start the downward action here, then probably we should be ready for the challenging against these highs and some upward continuation. That's why here in fact we do not have much choice to do, because as market is forming the head and shoulders, as market has the bearish trend here on the daily time frame, we probably could try to take the short position, but our task also is to take the position with the minimum risk, as closer to this high as possible. Because personally I do not see any other setups here that could be traded. I do not see bullish setups. So if you're, for instance, would like to enter long and such possibility to enter long, you have the different view on the current market, well, probably I think that's better to not take any action. Only if you prefer to make the gambling, because you could just blindly take the long position and maybe you will be lucky. And if market will fail with this head and shoulders, start move to the upside, well, you make the profit. But here you should understand me correctly, because I usually base my analysis on some patterns, on some setups and context, and some methods of the technical analysis. And if these methods do not give me any setup for the long entry, I just tell you that I do not see any possibility to enter long right now. If market will take out of these highs and the head and shoulders will fail, that will be absolutely quite another tune. But currently, as market stands here, only possibility we have either to take the short or just do nothing. Wait for a further clarification if you do not want to take the short position. Well, in fact, on the daily time frame, it's nothing to add to the Friday analysis, because you can see the price action was relatively small. Market is calling around, and on Friday we said that if you would like to take the short, watch the top of this potential right shoulder on the lower time frames. Maybe market will give us some reversal patterns here. Harmonic swings here is rather sharp, so you can see that this retracement almost equal to that one. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that these swings also equal. You will see. So let's see what we've got on Friday on the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame, we have not bad picture at all. So here you can see that lines swings are equal to each other. So I have measured this swing, drag and drop this line here. You can see this up action is a bit faster than this one. And now I also clone this line and drag it to this area. So you can see that it coincides with the target on the neckline. Right at the latest hours of the Friday's trading session, you can see that market has created this reversal candle. Why this candle calls as reversal? Because market has created the new high by this candle, but close below the lows of the previous candle. That's why it's reversal. Market closed not just below the open price, not just below the close of this candle, but below the low extreme point of this candle. That's why it calls as the reversal. In general, both of these candles create the bearish engulfing pattern, and that, guys, already the pattern that we could stick with. So in fact, based on this pattern, our invalidation point will be here. That is the top of this pattern, because if market will continue to move higher, then it will erase this pattern. Also, by the way, that's the top of the right shoulder that confirmed by the harmonic swings, the harmonic of this head and shoulders pattern, and any action above it, taken out of the top of the head, will mean only the single. We could make only the single conclusion that head and shoulders probably will fail, and the bearish context will be vanished by the market. That's why, in fact, as I said, that's some sort of the panic or gain, because market stands at such area where it either should start move to the downside or lead price to the failing of the pattern on the daily time frame and continue to upward solid action. Well, but until head and shoulders hasn't failed, we can't take the long position. That's a bit tricky situation here. Well, on the 30-minute chart for today analysis, I take the 30-minute chart rather than the hourly chart. We see how this reversal has happened. That was the butterfly, guys. 127 butterfly. Market has shown the greatest swing down. Well, and here I just drawn the one of the potential possible scenarios. I do not want to say that it has to happen, but that is very probable development. At least that it will be, if market will show this development, that will be just perfect for the bearish starting of the bearish move. Because as market has rather significant action to the upside, rather solid momentum, and I think that this momentum still holds of the market, at least the part of this momentum still on the market. That could lead for a bit deeper retracement to the upside. If this will be some kind of the ABCD action, that will give us an agreement around the 618 resistance of that swing. That's level to watch for a short entry. That is 133.50 area. Also, guys, don't forget about the 50%, since your currency likes to show the 50% retracement. So that if market will move on Mondays a bit lower than turn to the upside, that could be the 50% also. Somewhere around 133.40, 133.50 area is an area to watch for potential short entry here. One thing that we would do not want to see here is an action of that sort. You probably understand that. I don't want to see this such of short candles right here. That will be suspicious. Well, I want to see such sort of price action to the upside. Small candles with the long tails, the small bodies, very gradual action to the upside. If this will be in that sort, that's absolutely suitable. Well, when market will start move to the downside, and if it will start move to the downside, additional attention should be paid to the weekly pivot point, because if market will pass through it, that will give us more confidence, add our confidence to our bearish plan, and let us to relax a bit. That will be some kind of the confirmation that probably our analysis is correct. So that's been said, guys. In fact, market has created all necessary conditions for the starting of the downward action. Market has almost created the head and shoulders. Market has created the reversal pattern. That is simultaneously the bearish engulfing. Market has created the reversal pattern on the 13-minute chart. This is butterfly sell. So as you can see, market, in fact, if market is really bearish and it intends to show the bearish action, that's can't be just more suitable point to start this action either than current situation. Well, because if market will not start downward action from that area and right after that patterns, well, I do not see any other possibility to start this action in the nearest future on the short-term charts on the daily time frame. So let's see what will happen on Monday. Let's monitor the situation, because as you can see, a lot of parts of this puzzle, and they are rather harmonic in overall picture. Let's see what will happen, how market will turn with this setup. Well, I hope that finally we will get the clear setup, and that will be our opportunity to trade the market downward action. But if market will erase this context, well, guys, by the way, that the risk will be approximately about the 40-45 pips. I think that this is reasonable risk, because risk-reward ratio is really nice. So That will be not bad trade if market will really show us this section to the downside. But if market will fail here and continue move to the upside, that will be also some kind of the signal. And probably in that case on Tuesday we will start to search possibility to enter long if market will totally erase this setup for this bearish setup. So let's monitor on the market on Monday. Let's see what will happen, because the overall situation is very interesting.